Hey guys, as you can tell, we are starting our YouTube channel where we're gonna share our life and yeah, everything we do. It's harder to pack when you have a baby. Thankfully, my sister is here to help, so she's playing with her while me and Alan are packing. We're gonna have lunch and then we continue to pack. After we pack, we have to actually clean, which is gonna be also not so fun. And yeah.
We're guessing how heavy is this luggage. I would say it's around 35. 113 minus 81. 20, 33. Wow, I say 35, it's 33. Boom!
Here, packing my gold that my grandma gave me. Baby, look!
So, how do you feel?
Tired.
You excited to move?
Very much. You?
But you look not tired, you look dead.
Because we packing, nothing is happening.
Yeah. So what happened to your shooting?
Well, seems like it got cancelled.
Well, it's good, no?
It's okay. We're gonna have another one. It's just frustrating at the last moment. That's why we stayed so long in Sofia. We are off to run some errands with Bella. Today is gonna be a crazy day, but we're gonna make it, right? Today we have a lot going on. We have some things to do before we leave to the seaside, and the night before we actually leave, I have a job for a TV commercial, which during the day got cancelled, but then they called me that it's still on. The situation at the house is... Hey guys, so I'm on my way to the shooting, which is crazy because it's literally 7 p.m. and the shooting will be 12 hours. So I'm gonna finish at 7 a.m. in the morning. And this is my makeup and outfit, super cool. Here we are on the set. Everything is very chill. We are having fun, which is very important. The people are nice, cool. We are laughing, talking, and everything is going great.
How was it 12-hour shooting?
Good. I feel like I came back from very long clubbing night. After I got home, we packed as much as possible. Some things we left, my sister will send me over. As you can see, the car is packed. I had no place for my feet, but nobody cares. Especially me, because we are on the way to the seaside where we're gonna be for the next 4 months, and we are just very excited. Bella will be spending her whole summer next to the beach. Her birthday will be there, and that's what makes us extremely happy for the decision we made.
We left Sofia. It was madness.
Ja, taka.
Okay, let's go.
We are happy. Happy. Bella, where are you? We arrived at the location where Alan will be working.
Okay, why are we starting a vlog? Why we wanna do it?
We are going through a lot of changes, so it's gonna be interesting.
Because we're gonna be doing something unusual for a lot of people, trying different things, moving around, and it's all as a young family with a very little cute baby. We are sure it's gonna be interesting journey. That's why we're inviting you to follow this channel, to put a like on this video, and you gotta subscribe because it's gonna help to us. We're gonna be helping you by showing that life can be more than we all think, and you helping us by just following our journey through your screen.
And
Peace.
with the time, for sure, it's gonna get more and more interesting. We're gonna get much better at vlogging as
Yeah,
well.
exactly. It's already interesting, but sometimes, like most of the moment, we're still forgetting to record, or we was being so stressed and anxious and just And then our cameraman gonna grow and she gonna record us.
Yeah.
While feeding Belle, we have entertainment. Spending the day off very well. Yeah?
My last free day before madness.
Huh?
She's also a vlogger, look at her.
Yeah.
How's the competition?
No,
She's our neighbor.
not
She's
competition.
our neighbor. She's our competition. And she has the same car as us. What a coincidence.
I know that. That's why I'm recording how you're gonna be struggling now. Very unexpected. Very unexpected. Ah! I gave up on running.
We are back from the beach. It started raining crazy, so we decided to run home quickly. Now we're gonna shower and then go to the shop to buy a few things because we're missing them. And yeah, that's pretty much for the whole week. Yeah, Bella. From tomorrow, Alan is starting his job at the restaurant, and me and Bella are gonna be home alone, going to the beach and working while she sleeps. Also, hey, Yuktuka. Also, a friend of mine, Erika, she's coming. She is coming Wednesday or Thursday, so it's gonna be 2 babies, 2 mamas, having fun. And yeah. So, bye bye for now. See you next week.